Hello. So in this video, we will talk about what is an artificial intelligence or AI. So these days we have heard a lot about AI. Many companies are moving towards AI. So let's deep dive into the artificial intelligence. But before that, let's see what exactly is the definition. So what it simply means that there is a software, right, which just tries to simulates human-like intelligence. So let's say you are creating an application and you want it to behave in a way like the in a way the human behaves. So this is all about artificial intelligence. There is actually no exact definition of it, but we simply say it is a machine or a device which tries to simulate human behavior, and it is something which perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. So let's say, for example, you see a cat, right? And then you identify it is a cat. Why? Because it has some characteristics which through which you identifies it. Now, artificial intelligence has also started doing the same thing. So whenever you give it an image of a cat, it will say the cat. It will identify it based upon some kind of trainings. We'll talk about that later. So this is all about AI definition. Now let's see some of the examples of it. Okay, now coming to the examples. So we have self-driven cars, right? What you have normally seen is that there is a person there is on sitting on the driver's seat, right? And he is driving a car. But now we have cars which actually do not require any driver. So it can manage on its own. So that is basically an example of artificial intelligence. Now, next example, writing a Fibonacci series. So, is it a artificial intelligence or just a program? So, it is not an artificial intelligence because you are writing a program for it, right? You have given some set, you have given it, you have written some rules. So that's why it is not the artificial intelligence. Now, coming to the next thing, identify whether image is of cat or not. Now, let's say you provided it three or four images. One is of cat and others are of some other animals. So from those images, what the AI will do, it can identify whether which one is the cat and which among them are not the cat based upon some trainings. We'll talk about that later. Okay, now coming to the fourth one, writing a poem. So normally you cannot write rules for it, right? Because poem can be of there is no rule for it, right? And you require human intelligence to write a poem. Now, we have seen that AI has started writing the poem as well. So, that is something a machine is mimicking the human behavior. So, this is what AI is all about. It's not about rules, it's about identifying the patterns and coming up with answers. So, this is all about AI, and we will talk about this in more detail. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.